The DURATECH Tube Bender Set DTB-100 is a comprehensive kit that includes 7 different bender heads, a tube cutter, and a deburring tool, all neatly organized in a hard plastic storage box for convenience. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, this tube bender is not only strong but also lightweight, making it easy to handle and operate. The ergonomic curved handle is designed for comfort, reducing hand fatigue, while the ratcheting mechanism and release lever allow for efficient single-handed operation. Capable of bending pipes up to 90 degrees, this tool offers forward and reverse bending options thanks to the included reverse bender adapters. This versatile set is suitable for bending a variety of materials, including soft copper, aluminum, and thin steel, making it ideal for multiple applications, such as plumbing, refrigeration, and hydraulic systems. The colorful, corrosion-resistant dies are easy to install and remove, ensuring that the tool remains durable and reliable for long-term use.